Hello everyone, it is time to short some companies, and next on my target is Petrobras, which is ticker symbol PBR. Petrobras sucks ass. Now the question is, does it suck enough ass to justify a put position? And my research says yes, maybe. And my heart tells me I don't know so much about this. It could go either way, but I'm leaning slightly towards yes. Now, one of the reasons why I believe that would be the case is in some of the nuances that's occurring in the options market or the derivatives market. Now, if you go look at the spread between the bid and the ask, you'll notice that the market makers are incentivizing people to enter into put positions because the spreads on those, on the put contracts, tend to be tighter than those on the call options. And so that's a sign that the market maker is seeing a lot of demand on the call side, but not enough on the put side. So he's incentivizing the market to encourage people to take short positions. And this pretty much tells you that a lot of the retail interest is towards those call options. And certainly you see that with the put-call ratio, where it's more heavily favored towards the bullish, the bullish side of the trade. And also, you'll notice that the open interest, there's a lot of people, a lot of guys holding on to those call options. So I would like to take a contrarian approach to this, especially if they're going to incentivize me to take the dare and go with the puts. I might actually take them up on that offer. Now, let's look at some technical reasons why I don't like PBR. It just sucks ass, right? So, I mean, let's break this down here. So, if we start from when the shares hit $30.06, it went up 30% to $39.27. Then it dropped 53%, and then it went up again 50%. Then it dropped 55%. Then it went up 35%, then it dropped 60%, right? Then it popped up 33%, dropped another 63%, popped up 33%, and now where do we go from here? If we just assume some of these trends and just kind of average out the mathematical pattern, we're looking at a share price of $9.50, I don't know, probably sometime in the spring of next year. Now, of course, I don't want to make this a linear assumption, and a lot of what you see recently, many bullish investors will say, we're basing right here, right? Now, this is definitely the bottom. That's why you see so many people in the derivatives market saying, yeah, we're going to buy those call options, and we have a lot of people holding on to the call options, thinking that in the next few months the prices will pop up, and it very well could pop up, right? I mean, there's a lot of there's some things that are about Brazil, which is this is a Brazilian company that people should get excited about, but overall, the emerging markets they've been having a pretty rough year, and this company has been having several years of both fundamental and technical weakness. So I'm not a big fan. And this should show you just how volatile not only this market is, but the percentage loss that you experience during times of volatility. It's much harder to to pop up and gain an appreciable percentage-wise move, as opposed to just bad news will just knock you down cold. So understanding volatility risk is absolutely critical, especially when you're playing the Brazil market or any other volatile market like gold and silver, for example. Anyways, I think there's a reason why the share price is like this. Now, I really am tempted to play the short position here because we peaked up at 1637 recently. I think share price is like 1540 or 1530, something like that. So I'm going to take a bet that we're going to challenge at least $12. So I'm tempted to short PBR. But again, I understand if you don't. I understand if you think I'm crazy. By all means, don't short this market. You can, if you're like the rest of the bulls, you're thinking that this is going to be some, a base level support. Now, keep in mind that a lot of people also thought that there was basing going on what's that shitty company, JCP. Right? A lot of people thought, oh, JCPenney can't go any lower than this. It did. It went a lot lower. So that's what I want to caution people on, okay? For those who have a bullish perspective on downtrending markets. So anyways, I hear my popcorn is popping, so that means it's time for me to end this video.